How to reactivate your Pinterest account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Pinterest account. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Launch the Pinterest app on your phone or go to pinterest.com on a web browser. Tap on Login and enter your email and password. If you signed up with Google or Facebook, use those options to log in. If your account was deactivated, you'll see a message asking if you want to reactivate it. Tap Reactivate to restore your account. If your account was permanently deleted, you have 14 days to recover it. Try logging in within this period to restore it. If 14 days have passed, the account cannot be recovered. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.